Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Valariecoco. If you're new here, come on in, take a load off. We welcome everyone. Oh my god, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, what's up? We're about to do the chicken nugget challenge. Yes, you guys, finally. So, I was tagged by Steph and Tasha to do the chicken nugget challenge. So guys, I'm so excited to bring this challenge to you guys, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. Who don't love a good old chicken nugget? And they are good, fresh, and hot, okay? Now, I've probably been home about 5 minutes, and I'm like, okay, I gotta throw some makeup on, because, I'm just lounging around today, but I had to get this ready for you guys. So I got every sauce that they had. And you guys, I don't want to be wasteful. I personally don't feel like I can eat 40 nuggets, so I just got 40 nuggets. It's going to be a bust if I can't eat all, if I eat all of these nuggets. Then I'm going to be like, what do I do? Anyway, so guys, there's 10 in each one. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Do I think I can eat 40 nuggets? I don't think so. I do like McDonald nuggets, but I don't know if I like them that much. But anyway, we got the barbecue sauce. We have spicy buffalo. We have, make sure this just turned off so that doesn't burn. Ranch, honey mustard, sweet and sour, and hot mustard. So let's go ahead and open these babies up. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Hope everyone is in good health and good spirits. I feel good today, guys, and I'm not crazy about Mondays, but yeah, feel pretty good. I wanted to include you guys, so I didn't open these already, but I started to open them. Can you guys see? Okay. Buffalo. I didn't even know they had a buffalo dipping sauce. Let's see. I got the barbecue 2 times because you already know it's about to go down. Thank you, Lord, for the food that you're providing. Thank you, Lord, for the cook and the people that prepared it. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Amen. All right, guys, let's get it in. Let's go. Yeah, I love me some good barbecue. Oh, I got big girl. She right here. That's what we're drinking today. I can't stop the barbecue sauce. I better keep it going until I get bored of it. So in my last video, I was talking about weird YouTube, how weird YouTube is, but a good weird. What I meant by that is, you guys, there's so many different feelings and emotions that I'm going through by putting myself out here on Front Street, you know what I mean? I'm going to go to the buffalo now. Okay. Okay. All right, 4. 5. It's a little spicy. Y'all know I don't really do spicy. Let's move on to the ranch. These out. God, I think I want to dump these out. They're warm, but I think I want them hotter. I got McDonald's. I got McDonald's. What was that? Delirious? Eddie Murphy? I love Eddie Murphy, right? Can you tell I love Eddie Murphy? Y'all remember it. I think that was Delirious. When he told the McDonald's story about how his mama made him a hamburger and she can make it just like McDonald's. 10 guys. Oh, that's the ice maker. It almost scares me every freaking time it does that. You might hear my son in the background again, you guys. Moving on, guys. Mmm. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Let's move on to this. What is this? Which one is this? Honey mustard. Honey mustard. I'm not crazy about their honey mustard. It's alright, but I'm not crazy about it at all. Trying to do it a little different, you guys, because I know there's so many of the nugget challenges. So just trying to do it a little differently as far as laying them all out. These are so good. And they're warm. Go back to the barbecue, guys. I'm gonna get back to YouTube. So the reason I say it's a good weird is because it makes you look at yourself, especially if you're doing your own editing and things like that. You get to see yourself. You learn things about yourself that you might have known or might have forgot, but it come back around. You notice how many times that you might say You know what I mean? It's mannerism. But it's so rewarding and humbling. But it's a lot of work. I'm not complaining, but it's a lot of work. What would make life easier? If I had a room where I can set up my camera and I don't have to keep taking it down or moving it. Guys, we're gonna move on to sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. I've never had McDonald's sweet and sour. Oh wow. That is good. That's pretty good. The girl gave me like so many sauces, it's ridiculous. I have enough to last forever. I was just like, really, girl? But thank you, boo. I was like, I need them fresh, hot. He's like, I got you. Oh my God, guys, these are so good. I mean the sauce. Let's double dip. Let's do barbecue. Well, I don't want to dip that in my sweet and sour sauce. More. I think I got all the sauces, guys. Let's see. It said hot mustard. It's still one I'm missing. I think I'm missing a new one. I asked her about it. Maybe they don't have it here. But I asked her about it. She so-called gave me all the ones that they had. You know, different locations have different stuff. Alright, guys. That's 20. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going over to the hot mustard. Okay. Hot mustard good. I like it. You guys, I want to talk to you guys about staying motivated. There's so many pressures and so many things in this life and world that we have to deal with. You got the shooting that just went on at that bar. So sad. So sad. You guys, I don't want to talk about politics, but it's ridiculous. We gotta do something about these guns. This is ridiculous. How many more people gotta die? I'm gonna pour these out. I'm gonna pour these out, guys. Cause I wanna heat them. But if I put the sauces down here, y'all not gonna be able to see it. See, my sauces. Oh, wait a minute. See if I could put them right there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Let me separate them, guys. Let's see. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on just to give it a little something, something. Excuse me. For a drink. You guys, my nails is a hot mess. Don't even worry about it. Bad guys. Y'all hear that sizzle? Hear that sizzle? Flip them bad boys. Just got a little sauce on them. Y'all, they be smelling so good. Oh my God, when you first pick them up. Oh my God, because I ordered them. When you first pick them up, oh man. Let's go back to the buffalo, guys. Buffalo is different. It's actually really different. I had no idea they had buffalo sauce. It's probably good to spread it out on that over a chicken, that the McChicken sandwich. But you guys, back to what I'm going through right now. I'm trying to get situated where, you know, I can gain more subscribers. And I think one way that I want to try is do sub for sub. I heard that that doesn't always work, or, you know, there may be some problems with that. But I'm going to take the advice of someone that has already hit 1 million. And she said, yeah, she did sub for sub. It's YouTube talk, y'all. She said she did sub for sub. That it wasn't a bad idea. I see, like, on Facebook, you can pay to promote your page. I'm like, they need to stop. Yeah, you can pay $10 to promote you, promote your page for like whatever area you live in. For the whole entire Orlando. $100 they'll promote my page all over the United States. You're supposed to be like guaranteed to gain like 5,000 followers or whatever. I don't know, guys. Do you all know anything about all this mess? I don't know. Well, guys, let's go back to I'm going back to the honey. I mean the sweet and sour. And this sweet and sour is really good. Let's go back to a ranch. Ranch okay. I would have liked for the ranch to be a little thicker. I feel like McDonald's ranch is a little runny. That's just my thought. I always felt like that. Like McDonald's is doing the most. So guys, let's go. What is we going to now? Honey mustard. You guys, are you guys watching Atlanta Housewives? This is just the year for babies and marriages, right? Babies and weddings this year. That's my show, y'all. I love Atlanta Housewives. Love, 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 love them. I gotta get some more barbecue sauce because I'm running out. I don't have hardly no barbecue. But yeah, when I have the time, find the time, I watch Atlanta Housewives. The have and have nots is my ish. What are you guys watching? What is good? Let me know so I can try to check it out if I have the time. But put me on, because let me tell you, it's a lot of good. It's a lot of good. It's a lot of good television shows out there, guys. They've really stepped it up. They really stepped it up. It's hot mustard. It's not hot. I don't know why they call it hot mustard, because it's not hot. It's definitely not hot. Guys, I got 2, 4, 6, 8 left. I want more barbecue sauce, because I'm really over these sauces. I'm over. Guys. Excuse me. I like that. I like that sweet and sour sauce. I can't believe I just said it. 30 nuggets. 30 something nuggets. Team player, team player. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see and you like me. Right? I'm gonna put it on both sides because we don't want to put it on that plate because it will melt. Ooh. Home stretch, y'all. I don't know. I honestly do not know. wonder if there's ginger in it. Oh, there's ginger in here. I taste ginger. Let me see. Paprika. Yeah, paprika. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Put your back into it, put your back into it, put your back into it, put your back into it. But YouTube, very rewarding. You gotta put the work in though. You gotta put the work in. Oh my God, you guys see I've been working. Like I said, I don't like, you know, I don't have the privilege right now to be able to post every day. But from, you know, I am definitely seeing the rewards for the work that I am putting in. You get in, you get out what you put. Camera stop, y'all. You get out what you put in. Now the battery's blinking. Really? On a challenge, really? I got 5 nuggets left, y'all. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Am I? Yeah, I could do it, but I'm full. And I know that there's been people, because I think Beloved did 60. Did she do 60? I think Beloved did 60. Somebody else did 50 something, so I already know that I'm not gonna be like a winner or anything like that, because I definitely couldn't eat more than this. So I did good not to go with the 60. I know I couldn't eat 60, but I do know that I could eat 40. So I know I can eat 40, but I'm not gonna eat these because I'm stuffed. And although I could eat these, doesn't make sense to overeat. And also, you got a little shorty here too, so see if he eat it. I doubt it, because every time we buy him Happy Meals and stuff like that, guys, he never eats it. Like, he'll eat it, but he likes to run around, come back, eat a little bit, run around, come back, eat a little bit. It's a mess. So yeah, you guys, this is my first challenge, guys. I'm so sorry I'm beating on the table. Got lipstick on. You guys, this was so fun. This is my first challenge, guys. I am so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. And I hear that there's another one going out. I think KEKE Connection, she's gonna be doing like a salad challenge or something like that. And I was just thinking about, I responded to her or on a comment or something. I was like, girl, I was just thinking about doing a salad mukbang, but it wasn't gonna be a challenge. It's just gonna be a salad. So yeah, I don't know. If I get asked, then I'll participate, but yeah, otherwise, yeah. But I will eventually be doing a salad mukbang or mukbang. I also want to do some ice cream too, guys. I was thinking like you know, billing your Sunday, have all the stuff, and then we can just bill it together. So yeah, that should be good. But I just want to let you know, whatever you're going through, you're not the only one. You're not the only one going through, baby. Hold on. Just hold on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It feels unfair. It feels unreal. But you're not the only one going through it. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, nothing has changed. The sauces are still there, and I still have the 5 that's left over. Okay guys, so technically I know that I can eat, well, I don't know if it's technically because I didn't eat them, but I know I can eat 40 nuggets. Okay, so I ate 35, and of course I'm gonna give these 5 to my son. I don't want to stuff myself. I'm not, it just doesn't make sense because I'm stuffed. I'm good. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and coming back. If you're new, I'm so glad that you're here. Like I said, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below and join us, join the crew, and yeah, go on this journey with us. So I don't know where this is gonna go, guys. As you know, if you've went back and looked at all my other videos, they're like some of everything. I have hair. There's people that watch me for my hair. There's people that watch me for, believe it or not, my makeup. I'm not a makeup guru at all, never claimed to be, but I just do what I do for me. And I guess if their complexion is, you know, in the same range as mine, they just want to know and see what I do. So like, I do need to do an updated makeup tutorial though, actually, because there's a lot of things that I've learned since the ones that I did back in you know, when I first started. So yeah, as far as applying makeup, and you know, a little goes a long way, especially with darker complexions. It look like I'm washed out, and I don't like that. Hold on guys, I'm back. That's better, cause I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm back in the back, and I'm black, y'all. Guys, I cannot get that song out of my head. I cannot get it out of my head, but I like that. But anyway, yeah guys, I just want to come back on and close out the video. The battery died on me like 3 times. Like, what are the odds? What are the odds of that's happening in the middle of a challenge? But anyway, I got the battery situated right now, and it's just enough juice, just enough for me to close this video out. So like I said guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. You guys can follow me over on Instagram, Valariecoco, and the number 1. You can follow me on Facebook, Valariecoco, and of course YouTube, Valariecoco. Go ahead and join us guys. I would love, like I said before, love to take you guys on this journey with me. Right now we're doing mukbangs. That's what we're doing. Do we know if we're gonna do something else? Do we know? I don't know. I don't know guys. I do whatever I feel, the energy that I'm getting from you guys with these mukbangs. And if you guys really love them, let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm gonna keep giving you guys what you want to see. You are the ones watching, so I care what you want to see. So if you think or feel that out of everything that I've done so far on YouTube, as far as all my videos, which do you prefer? Yeah, let's make that a question. Which video do you prefer? Do you prefer videos on just my natural hair? Do you prefer videos on just the mukbang? Do you like the mukbang videos? Do you like just talking in general, like motivational, inspirational type videos? Let me know guys. And now the phone is ringing. Oh my god. And also guys, especially the ones that you guys that know me personally, because I do have a few requests. So like, if you guys have something that you want me to eat or something that you want to see, let me know. Let me know. I won't know. I can't read your mind. No, if you don't tell me. So let me know if you want to see me eating a particular type of food. If I can get my hands on it, I will try, and I have no problem. If you guys know of some great recipes, or you know of some great desserts or any of that, let me know, and I definitely will look into it. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Be safe, love, peace, happiness, and you already know.